Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. I am your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services Mohammedi Girls Campus. Before starting the class, I have some instructions for you. Kindly follow these instructions. Kindly keep your science book and a pencil with you and mark the difficult terms. And if you have any question or query, you can ask me at the end of the class. Today, we are going to continue unit number 1 that we have started in the previous class. So let's have a quick review on the previous class. Class 1, Subject Science, Unit 1, The Human Body. Okay, keep your science book with you. Open your book, unit number 1, The Human Body. Objectives, we have learned different body parts and the name, and each body part has a job to do, and people look different from each other. This is the slide that we have learned yesterday or in the previous class. Our body is made up of many parts like nose, eye, ear. Okay, so you can see here the body parts, the function of the body parts. Okay, mind map on the body part that we have learned in the previous class. Okay, similarities, same things between the human beings, like we all are human beings. We all have similar body parts. Example, 2 eyes, 2 nose, and 1 nose. Example, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 1 nose. That is the similarities between the human beings. And this is the differences between the human beings, male and female. Okay, means boy or girl, younger and older, taller and shorter types of hair. Okay, and who are human beings? Boys, girls, man, woman, and babies, all are human beings. Okay, now today inshallah we will learn about the living things and non-living things. Okay, who are living things? Human beings, you can see here in the picture, human beings, plants, and animals. Human beings, plants, and animals are all living things. Why? Because all living things need air to breathe. All living things need air. All living things need air to breathe. We inhale air. We take in air from our nose because our surrounding is full of oxygen gas, is full of the air. ठीक है? Air जो हमारे पास पास है उसमें क्या होती है? Oxygen gas. Okay, and we inhale. We take in oxygen gas from our nose. Okay, that's why we are alive. इसीलिए हम जिंदा हैं. Okay, we can breathe because of the air. So all living things need air to breathe. Human beings, that means boys, girls, man, women, babies, all are called human beings. Human beings, animals, plants, okay, all living things need air, need oxygen to breathe, okay. All living things need food and water to stay alive, to grow. Living things can eat, living things can grow. Okay, living things can move like animals and human beings. Okay, so all living things can grow from a small baby to an adult. Like a small baby can grow into an adult man or woman. Okay, and a baby plant turn into a tree. Okay, and what are non-living things? Non-living things do not need air to breathe. Okay, they don't breathe. Non-living things सांस नहीं लेते. ठीक है, जो non-living things होती हैं वो सांस नहीं ले सकती. Non-living things cannot breathe. Okay, they don't need air. They cannot eat. They cannot move. Okay, cap. Examples are cap. Cap is non-living thing. Okay, cap is non-living thing. Umbrella, a car. A car is also a non-living thing. They cannot, okay, car, cap, umbrella, it cannot eat or it cannot grow. Okay, car cannot grow, it cannot eat. Okay, so these are non-living things. Okay, and this is the picture which shows living and non-living things. Okay, you can see here a bird is flying. Okay, a bird is flying. A bird can eat. A bird
can have babies. Okay, so this is a living thing. Okay, bird is a living thing. Okay, ball is non-living thing. Why? Because ball do not eat food. They don't need air to breathe. They don't move by their own self. That means ball is not a living thing. Okay, so the pen is also a non-living thing. Okay, a non-living thing, pen. Okay, bee is non-living or living thing? Yes, bee is living thing. Why? Because bee is an insect. Okay, it can move, it can have babies. Okay, so bee is also a living thing. Okay, eraser is non-living. Okay, eraser is non-living thing. A duck is an animal, and animals are living things. Why? Because they need food, they need water. Okay, they need air to breathe. So animals are living things. Okay, table is non-living. Okay, table is non-living thing. It cannot move, it cannot eat. Okay, they don't need air, food or water. Okay, horse is an animal. Okay, horse is a living thing. Okay, it's a living thing. Okay, that means horse also need air to breathe. Horse eat, horse can grow, horse can have babies. That means horse is a living thing. Okay, stone is non-living thing. And the cats are living things. Why? Because they can grow, they can eat, they need air, they need food to stay alive. Okay, I hope you are clear on living and non-living things. Now you are able to differentiate between living and non-living things. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, what living things and non-living things can you see in this garden? Okay, animals, humans, and plants are living things. Okay, animals, dog. Okay, ducks. Okay, these are animals. Okay, and the human beings, the boys, the girls. Okay, human beings and animals and plants. You can see here trees and different plants. Okay, they all are living things. Why? Because they all need food, they all need air. Okay, they all grow. Okay, so plants make their own food with the help of sunlight. Okay, they don't eat fruits or vegetables. But why? Because have plants can make their own food. They have chlorophyll. They can make their own food with the help of sunlight. Animals and humans can eat plants, for example, like fruits, for example, like vegetables. Okay, human can also eat animals. Like you can eat meat, chicken, beef, mutton. Okay, so they all are living things. Okay, bike, boat, plane. These are, you can see here, a boat, a plane, a bike, okay, a swing. These are non-living things. Why? Because they don't eat food, they don't grow. Okay, they don't need water and food to stay alive. Okay, are you clear on this? Okay. Now the basic needs of the living organism. What are the basic needs of the living organism? Okay, what are the basic needs of living organism? These are the basic needs of living organism. Sunlight, okay, sunlight, water, okay, we cannot live without water. ठीक है, पानी बहुत ज़रूरी है. Air, why air? Because air has oxygen, a lot of oxygen in the air, and we can breathe air, oxygen gas. That's why we can breathe, that's why we are alive. Okay, we breathe oxygen gas. We inhale oxygen gas from the air, okay, from our nose, and it goes into our lungs. Okay, that's why we can breathe. Okay, इसलिए हम सांस लेते हैं, ठीक है? And temperature, we need a moderate and average temperature to stay alive. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा cold होगा या बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो जाएगी तो भी रहना मुश्किल है, ठीक है? We need a moderate temperature to stay alive, and we need food. We need food. Can you give me the example of food? Who can give me the example of food? Raise your hand. Who can give me the example of food? What we eat? हम क्या खा सकते हैं food में? Okay. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Food. Okay, Ramin, unmute yourself. Ramin, unmute yourself. Okay. Hello, Ramin, can you hear me? Yes. Ramin, give me the example of food. Oh, paratha. Very good. Okay. Egg and paratha. Very good, Ramin. And Manal. Manal, give me the example of food. Okay. What we eat? Manal. Okay. We can eat vegetables. Yes, we can eat rice. Okay, we can eat eggs. We can eat different types of vegetables, and we can eat fruits like apple, mango. Oh, this is a mango season, summer season. Do you like mango? Ah, yes, we all like mango so much. That means we can eat different food. Okay, we can eat meat. We can eat chicken. Okay, okay. Oh, Vida, if you know the answer, you can give me in the chat box. Yes, Erhawaj, very good. Apple and mango. Yes. Okay. Now, all living things need food to stay alive. What does that mean, stay alive? जिंदा रहने के लिए, ठीक है? All living things, हम सबको क्या चाहिए होता है? Food to stay alive, to breathe. Okay, to stay alive मतलब जिंदा रहने के लिए हमें food चाहिए होता है. Okay, food gives us energy. Oh, then we eat food. Okay, we can get energy from the food. Okay, some food comes from the plants. Some food comes from the plants. Examples are fruits. Okay, all fruits, vegetables. Okay, you can see here banana, watermelon. Okay, and carrot. Okay, peas. Okay, rice, potato. Okay, these are the food that can come from the plants, and we eat some food that comes from the plants. Okay, and some food comes from the animals. Okay, some food like chicken. Okay, egg, very good, and meat. Okay, milk. So some food comes from animal and some food comes from plant. That means all human beings. That means we human beings can eat plants. We human beings can eat animals too. Okay. And now we are moving to the next slide. Growing up. Okay, all living things. Do you know human beings, plants, and animals all are living things, and all living things grow. Okay, only living things can grow. Okay, beta, only living things. Okay, only living things can grow. Can grow. A baby girl, you can see here, a baby girl grows up to be a woman. You can see here, a baby girl grows up to be a woman. Okay, you can see here an infant. Okay, then a girl, woman, then this old lady. Okay, these are the stages of life. That is how we grow, how we all grow. Okay, and a baby boy, you can see here, a baby boy grows up to be a man. Okay, a baby boy grows up to be a man. Okay, an infant, then toddler, then a young boy. Okay, then a man, then old man. Okay, these are the different stages of life. Okay, we grow. Okay, we all grow because we are living things. Human beings are living things. We are human beings. Okay, and we are living things. We can eat. Okay, you can eat. Yes, you can eat. Okay, you can eat. we can grow, okay, we can eat, we can grow, okay, we need air to breathe. ठीक है, हमें एयर चाहिए होती है सांस लेने के लिए. ओके, अभी अगर आपने नोज पे ऐसे फिंगर रख के नोज को बंद करो, कैन यू ब्रीथ? कैन यू ब्रीथ आफ्टर क्लोजिंग योर नोज? नो. Okay, you cannot breathe. Okay, you cannot breathe after closing your nose. That means we breathe air from our nose, okay, to stay alive. Okay. Now plants, tiny plants grow into the large plants or trees. You can see here when we plant a seed, okay, यहाँ पे देखो ये seed, ठीक है, जब आप प्लांट करते हो सीड को तो ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ग्रो होता है इनटू अ प्लांट. ओके, देन इट ग्रोस इनटू अ बिग tree. Okay, tree, you can see here a tree, an orange tree. This is how a seed grows into a tree, into a large plants, tree, large plants. Okay, and baby animals grow and become adult animals. Okay, baby animals grow and become adult animal, like puppy grows into a dog. Okay, chick, chick can grow into a chicken. Okay, and kitten, okay, kitten can grow into a cat. You can see here the stages of life. Okay, how a kitten turns into a cat. Okay, यहाँ देख रहे हो छोटा सा kitten कैसे cat बन रहा है. Okay, this is because these are living things. We human beings, okay, animals and plants, we all are living things. Why? Because we can eat, we can grow, we need air, we need food, we need water. Okay, that's why we are called living things. Okay, we are called living thing. So the conclusion of the topic. Okay, this is the conclusion of unit number 1. Okay, each body part has a job to do and has a name. Can you give me the example? If you know the example of a body part, name and its function, okay, tell me. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if you know the answer of any body part. What is the use of the eye? Okay, what is the use of the eye? Eyes are used for what? Eyes are used for what? Give me your answer in the chat box or raise your hand. Okay, Fatima, very good, Fatima. Eyes helps us to see. Eyes helps us to see. Okay, and what is the function of the nose? Hiba, unmute yourself, Hiba. Give me the answer. Unmute yourself, Hiba. Okay. Okay, give me the answer in the chat box. Very good. Eyes helps us to see. Nose helps us to smell. Very good. Nose helps us to smell. Legs are for running, for walking. That means each body part has a name, like shoulder, like elbow, like head. Okay, and they have a different job to do. Okay, we cannot use eyes for smelling the things. Okay, we cannot use our ears to see the things. Okay, that means each body part has a job and has a name. Like you have your name. Okay, each body part has also a name. Our body is made up of many body parts. Okay, our body is made up of many body parts like shoulder, head, knee, toes, chest. Okay, so we are human beings. Boys, girls, men, women, babies, all are called human beings. Okay, our parts of the body work in the same way, but we look different. How we look different? We have different hair color, we have different height. Someone can be tall and someone can be short. Okay, and someone are older and someone are younger. Okay, we look different, we have different skin colors, we have different complexion. Complexion matlab skin color. Okay, so but our body work in the same way, like we all have two eyes and we use these two eyes for sighting. For sighting मतलब देखने के लिए, and we have one nose and the use of the nose is to smell the things. Okay, so are you clear on this? Okay, now this is the exercise. Okay, take the living things and cross the non-living things. Okay, take the living things and non-living things and look at the picture below. Circle the part of the body that is being used for each action. Okay, now you can see here in the picture. ठीक है, ये boy क्या कर रहा है, इस वक्त क्या use कर रहा है, आपको उस चीज पर क्या करना है, सर्कल करना है. ठीक है, ये वाला पेज आपने बुक में फिल करना है. ओके, ये वाला काम आपको घर पे करना है बुक में. ठीक है, इसी तरह आपने ये सारा फिल करना है, लिविंग थिंग्स एंड नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स. ठीक है, और ये वाला भी काम करना है आपको बुक में. सही. और नाउ बेटा टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. दिस दैट वाज द टास्क ऑफ फॉर डे 1. ओके, do book page number 6, question number 1. Okay, and these 5 questions. Okay, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. और ये आज का होम टास्क है. होम टास्क फॉर डे 2. व्हाट आर लिविंग थिंग्स? व्हाट all living things need to breathe? Write a note on growing up. Why do living things need food? And you will do book page number 6 and 7. Okay, you will do page number 6 and 7 in your book. Okay, so better take a picture and screenshot so that you can do your homework easily. Okay, so I am moving to the next slide. These are the question and answer. Okay, these are the question and answer. You will use a blue color pencil for question writing and the pencil. Okay, and the pencil for answer. Okay, for answer writing. What are living things? Human beings, plants and animals are living things. Okay, and what all living things need to breathe. ठीक है, सारी living things को क्या चाहिए होता है breathe करने के लिए, सांस लेने के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए होता है, जिसके लिए हम जिंदा रहते हैं, जिसकी वजह से all living things need air to breathe. Okay, air to breathe. Write a note on growing up. All living things grow. ठीक है, सारी living things grow करती हैं. A baby girl grows up to be a woman. A baby boy grows up to be a man. Plants and animals also grow. Okay, living things need food to grow. Okay, this is the answer of question number 8. Take a screenshot. Okay. Now the question number 9, why do living things need food? All living things need food to stay alive. Why? Because food gives us energy, okay, to grow. It gives us energy, okay, because of the food we can grow, okay, it gives us energy. This is the answer of question number 9. Take a screenshot. Okay, बेटा कॉपी प्रेजेंटेशन मैंने आपको लास्ट टाइम भी बताई थी, अब मैं आपको वापस से बता रही हूँ. ठीक है, दीज आर सम इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू फॉलो. आपकी साइंस जो कॉपी होती है वो इंटरलीफ पेजेस के साथ होती है. इंटरलीफ पेजेस मतलब ब्लैंक पेजेस होते हैं जिस पर लाइंस नहीं होती. ठीक है, इंटरलीफ पेजेस. ओके, इंटरलीफ पेजेस मतलब ब्लैंक पेजेस. उस पर आप क्या करते हो, कोई भी डायग्राम आप ड्रॉ करते हो इंटरलीफ पेजेस पर. ठीक है, एंड 250 पेजेस की कॉपी होती है. ओके, कवर योर कॉपी विद द प्लास्टिक शीट. Make the outer sheet first. Okay, then cover your copy with the plastic sheet. Then on the first page make a face sheet. Okay, second page पे title. Third page make a title of the unit number 1. Okay, write questions with blue color and all the answers with pencil. Okay, do all the homework in print writing. Print writing मतलब ये जैसे आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रही है अलग अलग वर्ड्स. ओके, प्रिंट राइटिंग. ओके, देखो फेस शीट आप ऐसे बनाओगे. सेकंड पेज पे फर्स्ट टर्म मई टू नवंबर 2021 and 2022. Okay, unit number 1. On third page make a title page of unit number 1, the human body, starting date and ending date. Ending date क्या हो जाएगी आज की, 1 जून. Okay, and आउटलाइन ऑफ द लेसन। बेटा जो क्वेश्चन आंसर 2 to 3 लाइन्स में खत्म हो रहा है वो आपका शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर है, और जो 4 to 5 लाइन्स में है वो क्या होते हैं, डिस्क्रिप्टिव है। और जो माइंड मैप ये सब है, माइंड मैप है, टेबल वाले क्वेश्चन हैं, वो क्या होते हैं, एक्टिविटी बेस्ड। ठीक है, डायग्राम क्वेश्चन अभी आपको इसमें इस वाले में आपको भी नहीं दिया, और चैलेंजिंग मैं आपको बाद में करवाऊंगी। ठीक है, ओके, हैव अ नाइस डे, अल्लाह हाफिज।